And what are we making tonight?
Well, I have been craving pizza.
Good evening. Welcome to Lance and Sandra Show. I'm Lance.
I'm Sandra.
And what are we making tonight?
Well, I have been craving pizza, so we're going to use the Cloud Bread recipe, but we're just going to make it a bigger recipe. So we're going to go ahead and start with half a cup of cottage cheese. Something that, out of all the videos that I've watched, that people who use the cottage cheese, they go ahead and blend it when they get it, and I think that's smart.
So you already blended this.
So this
Clearly.
has been blended. So we're adding the cottage cheese.
How many of those do you need?
Half a cup. About 2 tablespoons of cream cheese.
I softened that up.
So he did soften that up. The cream cheese doesn't really have tablespoons on it. It's more
Ounces.
I'm just gonna give this a little mix before I add my yolks. So we're gonna separate the egg whites with the yolks. And this calls for 4. Oh no, wrong side. This calls for 4 egg whites in one, yolks in the other. Uh-oh, that one was broken already. Can you get me another egg? There's a little bit of allergies going on. Oh, egg white. Yep. Excuse my sniffling.
Sandra's had a cold the last couple days.
I don't know if it's a cold. I think it's more allergies. Took an allergy tablet earlier. And
see that shell?
did I drop another one in there?
Yeah.
Egg. All right. We did have snow earlier this week. It's not all gone, but we still have some. I'm just going to mix this in here.
You're done with your cottage cheese?
I'm done with cottage cheese. Give this a good mix. I'm going to get rid of all the lumps. All right. So we are putting in 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
All right. And our teaspoon, I'm going to try not to make it heaping.
True teaspoon, huh? What do you stir that with?
I have my hand mixer here.
Oh.
All right.
Funny how egg whites get firm.
Yeah.
Looks like a good now.
Looks like it. All right, I think we'll get close. All right, so you can see we have our peaks. Now we're gonna fold it in to our yolk mixture here. I don't think I'm very good at folding, but
Who decides that?
I don't know.
You decide that.
I think I decide that. So if you want to get our baking sheet, and then we'll need some.
You want to spray that?
Spray that with some coconut oil. We have our oven preheated at 350, and it is recommended to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. So I think I have that folded in pretty well, I hope. And then we're just gonna put this on our pan. We're just gonna make a big pizza. So a little runny down there at the bottom, but I think it'll be all right. And that way this will last us at least tomorrow, possibly Monday. We don't eat nearly as much as we used to. since we started this. They recommend this to be about a
just what I was going to
about
ask.
a half an inch. This looks a little tall still.
There, a little thing right there. So we cook this for 25 minutes.
We cook this for 25 minutes, and then all right, we're going to throw this in the oven, and we'll be back. 20 to 25 minutes.
It's already preheated.
Oven's preheated at 350.
350.
All right, this is done. This does need to cool. I think this came out beautifully. I'm half tempted
Okay.
to flip it,
Yeah.
but I think it'll be all right. So we're gonna let this cool for about 5-10 minutes. They're not very thick, so honestly, I don't think it should take long. And then we're going to add our ingredients, and then we're going to stick it back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until our cheese is all melted.
It's just cheese melted on.
Yes.
Because all my sides, I sauteed the peppers and mushrooms, and I cooked some sausage.
Italian sausage, because that's all I could find. I did find this pizza sauce. It was the smallest one that I could find. And the ingredients are simple. So,
Well, the good thing about this is the serving size is about 11 servings per container. So three carbs, but 1 fiber. So
Yep.
2 net carbs.
then we like black olives, and then we're gonna put our mozzarella. So we're gonna let this cool, and we'll be right back to build our pizza and let you know how it turned out. All right, welcome back. This has been cooling for about 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
We're gonna add our marinara sauce, pizza sauce. I like my pizza sauce right to the edge. I like a lot of cheese on my pizza. I don't know if I'm overdoing this, but
I don't think so. It looks good to me.
you know, one ingredient that I did forget in our cloud pizza dough here was some salt. So we will make sure and add that.
Well, there's lots of salt probably in every ingredient here. Just a little leaky in there. What else?
All right.
Sausage?
So we got some Italian sausage.
Is that enough?
Might as well just. We're gonna save part of that for breakfast.
That's what I was thinking.
All right. And then Lance always likes his olives, so I made sure and got some.
You can put it on half if you want.
No, I like olives, but when we order pizza, it's a must for Lance.
Sausage olive usually
Sausage
or something
olive.
like that.
We do have some pepperoni in the refrigerator if you wanted to
Oh, this is good.
put some.
I think that's my pizza fan. Just for those this morning too.
And then we sauteed up some bell peppers and some onion. Just gonna put that on there.
Green and yellow peppers.
We had some onion. I told him if he wanted, he could put some on, but he didn't.
I did it.
You can do fresh onion
Just for
if
you.
you like.
Yeah.
And I think I'm gonna top this off
With more cheese.
just one more small layer of cheese. So if you can
Want me to do it?
just put some in my hand and I'll.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. Add some cheese to the top. And this is going to go back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes or until everything is nice and melted. So we'll be right back. All right. So we did add a few minutes
Yep.
on the on the cook time, and then we put it under the boiler probably for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. I put it on for 3 minutes.
3 minutes on high. So we're gonna let this just rest for a minute.
Yeah, let it firm up a little.
Other than that, I think it looks really good. So
Yep.
we'll be back. It is still pretty warm, but I am pretty hungry, so we're just gonna.
It took a little longer than we thought it would, huh?
It did.
All the steps.
You know, and honestly, I think this will cook in the air fryer pretty well. So we just don't eat like as much as we used to.
No.
So
She says I lost weight in my face.
he has. All right. So slices here. All right.
Try it. I'll
try
eat mine
it.
with a fork. I eat my pizza with a fork.
Is a true Nalak Mew
New Lock Mew.
white man using a fork with pizza. So here we go.
I'm sure it'll taste good, but how's the crust?
It's good. I mean, I like it. And I was a little bit, I didn't know. I couldn't find the normal sausage that I use when we make pizza, so I had to buy an Italian sausage.
Mm-hmm.
And I was a little bit worried I wouldn't like it, but it's actually really good.
It's
So-
good. I don't know that I dislike the crust because I can't really taste it. It's like a meringue. Like a
Yes. So
I'll have 2 or 3 pieces.
definitely,
It's good.
definitely something that we'll be making again. I do like it. The video that I watched, it was more of a carnivore pizza with no sauce, but I like sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And the carb count is low, so we are still eating clean ingredients and keeping our menus on. So
It was 11 servings in that little jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
we didn't
So this-
finish the jar.
Yeah, and there's 3 carbs basically per slice then.
So
And we didn't even use that, so probably about 2. And then net carbs was only like 2, so probably only about 1.5.
So, anyways, I like this. I'll probably make it again. So
That's it. I like it. I'm eating it right now.
we're hungry.
Until next time, thanks for watching.
It's Lance. I'm Sandra.
Oh, I'm Lance. She's Sandra. Good Super Bowl meal tomorrow.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. And just keep in mind, we're just here to have fun and teach others.
Bye.